Any questions to the presenters?
This is for INTA, for the Lunar Institute sensor package. There's a lot of heritage clearly specifically chosen for the mission. Are there any specific components which opposing that actually are very new or more risky on the package? And if so, what's your expectation for those?
Yeah, one of them, probably the newest one or the more demanding one is that thermal switch indicated. Actually, I showed in the slide here in the corner. There were some photographs. That's a prototype of a quite new development of JPL. Because at the end it's quite demanding on the differences between the on and off states for the thermal conductivity, on the how sharp it must be the change and so on. That could be one. Well, that is one actually. And then, well, there are some electronics. As I said, for the electronics in general, we were taking many of them from the CubeSat market. Yeah, more or less the final thermal environment that we obtained with that design was quite adequate for them, but there's still some standard qualification for the electronic power supply should be done, or otherwise we would design it on our own. So the driver at the end is thermal always.
Thank you very much.
Any questions? Actually, I have one question to Christian. In your presentation, you mentioned about the couple of factors to affect the permittivity. If I remember correctly, it's like density, porosity, frequencies, and temperature, right? Which one is the most dominant factors in your work?
So thank you for the question. I would say it's the frequency. So that's probably the most demanding thing to extract, but the temperature also has a big influence on the permittivity then. So yeah, probably the temperature if I think about it like this. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Any other questions? Then I may have one more question to Francesco. For your equipment device, which heating method are you planning to apply for? Heating method? Yeah.
Okay, so the let's say that the architecture is still on debating, but we're thinking about having coils around the reactors such that we can power them up and then regulate inside with external coils.
So it's electric.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Any other questions? Or if you don't, maybe we can close this session earlier for your hungry stomach. Okay. Thank you for participating. Thank you.